Hi, welcome to the Java Core Learning course by Example. And today is the day 10. I would like to show you how to find the odd and even number in Java. Okay, so now let's start it by following my demonstration. Okay, cool. Okay, so here in the application, I will allow the user to enter a number in the keyboard, and after that, I will check if the number user enter from the keyboard is divided by 2. That means it will be the even number, and otherwise it should be the odd number. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, cool. So now I will try to run the application. Yeah, so it will display the message by ask me enter the number. I will enter the number is 5 here. So here you can check either the number 5 is not divided by 2, so it will be the odd number. And try it again. I will enter the number 6 here. So the number 6 is divided by 2, so it should be the even number. Oh, cool. So here I will try with a big number. Here 2009. Here EOS number. I will enter the 2020 here even number. Okay, cool. So here I think that's all for today, and after you finish this video you know how to find the odd or the even number by after the user enter the number from the keyboard. Okay, you also know how to use the if and else statement in Java. I hope this video will helpful for you, and let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.